you kind of almost, as a person, if you're dealing with someone, can know if someone, or kind of feel. And intuition tells you if someone's kind of being sincere or not. So I think intent is important. So when we communicate and we're really trying to repair something, a rupture, um, I think there should be a communication where the feelings are on a level playing field, where they're comfortable explaining their side or dealing with their things and let you know about it, and you open yourself enough to feel to let them know your side of it clearly and what they feel, and then to me that creates a better understanding, which then can lead to the repair, and that's why I say communication is important.